Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to easily change batteries inside your CHiQ TV remote. So first let's turn the remote upside down. Now here we will have two batteries. So first remove the bottom one. So basically put your remote like that and now try to push it off. Now the second one will slide and you will be able to just take it. Now get the second pair of batteries that you have inside your house. I got the same ones. So how to put them back? Basically put one right here. So it's kind of blocked by this little thingy, and now do it with the second one. Now the second one may be harder, but anyway it still works. So that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and a comment if you enjoyed the video. Bye.